Hi students, today we are going to discuss about side similarity. SSS similarity. If what is SSS similarity? If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional, to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Means he gave that the sides already in proportion. So if they are in proportion, then the corresponding angles are equal and hence the triangles are similar. So he gave that sides are in proportion. We need to prove that the two triangles are similar by proving their corresponding angles are equal. So two triangles. We assume two triangles. We draw the two triangles ABC and DEF. Then ratios are given. So we have to prove that the two triangles are the ratios are in proportion. The sides are proportional from one triangle to the other triangle. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Then we have to prove that the triangles are similar. How to prove the triangles are similar? If we prove that their corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. So now we see that how to prove. Now triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These are the two triangles. So in that the sides, corresponding sides are in proportion. Their corresponding sides are in proportion. That is given. So given in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, he gave that AB by DE, the corresponding sides are in proportion, the same ratio. AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equals to AC by DF. This is given. We have to prove, required to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. How to prove? If their corresponding angles are equal. So angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. Hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. If you prove that their corresponding sides are, the corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles will be similar. Already sides are in proportion. That is given. So for that we need to do some construction. What is the construction? Locate P on DE, and Q on DF such that so this is the construction. How the construction? We are locating a point P on DE and a point Q on DF and join these two. How we are constructing? Such that AB is equals to DP. And AC is equals to DQ. DQ and join PQ. We have to join PQ. This is construction. Now proof. So proof. What is given exactly here? AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. So AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. Observe it. AC by DF. But what exactly we assumed AB is equals to, according to our construction, AB is equals to, so DP. Here I am writing. So AB is equals to DP. That means DP by DE is equals to, and AC is DQ. So DQ by DF. Here we are substituting, since what is the reason? AB is equals to DP, AB is equals to DP, and AC is equals to DQ. So we got DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. The sides are in proportion. Now observe this triangle. After this, we took from the given AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. Now AB is equals to DP according to the construction, and AC is equals to DQ. So we got DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. That is in which triangle? In triangle DEF. So in that, in triangle DEF, in triangle DEF, we got now DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. From this, what can you say? DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. When sides are in proportion, as according to basic proportionality theorem, the line is parallel. So which line is parallel? PQ is parallel to EF. So PQ is parallel to EF. Now if PQ is parallel to EF, PQ is parallel to EF, their corresponding angles are equal. Which are the corresponding angles? Angle DPQ is equals to angle DEF. Angle DPQ is equals to angle DEF. So angle DPQ is equals to angle DEF, and angle DQP is equals to angle DFE. DFE. These are, what can you say? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, which are angle DPQ is equals to DEF and DQP is equals to DFE. They are corresponding angles. Now you see, corresponding angles are equal. In this, DPQ is equals to DEF and DQP is equals to DFE. So once the corresponding angles are equal, by AA similarity, observe this, so their corresponding angles are equal. Now a triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. AA similarity. How can we say AA similarity? Because in triangle DPQ, angle P is equal to triangle DEF, angle E, P and these two are equal, and Q and F are equal according to angle sum property. Angle sum property, both the triangles, already sides are in proportion. Sides are in proportion. DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. And angles, we got two angles are equal, means third angle will be, by angle sum property, third angle D is common in both, that is also equal. So triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. So we got, let this equation as 1. Triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. Now if triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, now DP by DE is equals to, observe it, DP by DE is equals to, because sides are in proportion once the triangles are similar, PQ by EF. PQ by EF. PQ by EF. But now DP by DE is equals to PQ by EF we got in this place, but we have AB by or BC by EF. What actually in the question he given AB, observe it. So AB in place of DP you can write as AB by DE, because DP place we are writing again AB. AB by DE is equals to PQ by EF. PQ by EF. Again, now you see here this thing, AB by, in the statement sides are in proportion. So here AB by DE is equals to BC by EF. BC by EF. First statement given, sides are in proportion. Okay, here we write this statement. So a DP by DE is equals to AB by DE. DP is equals to AB. That's why we substituted here. Now you see here, this is given. Okay, now AB by DE is equals to PQ by EF, and AB by DE is equals to BC by EF. From these two, what can we say? PQ by EF. So which implies PQ by EF is equals to BC by EF. BC by EF. From these two, what can we say? From these two, PQ is equals to BC. Therefore, we get PQ is equals to BC. Observe it. PQ is equals to BC. We got. See, EF is equals to EF and PQ is equals to BC. PQ is equals to BC. So, PQ is equals to BC. Now, triangle ABC and DPQ. Triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, as we know, according to our construction, AB is equals to DP, this is side, and AC is equals to DQ, this is side by construction, this is also by construction, and we proved now PQ is equals to BC. That means BC is equals to PQ. This is side, proved. So by SSS criteria, side, congruence criteria, the two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ by SSS. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, observe it, their corresponding angles are equal. So angle A is equals to angle D, then angle, observe it, angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle P, angle C is equals to angle Q. Angle Q. But angle B, observe it, in DPQ, their corresponding angles are equal. Here, angle B is equals to, but angle P is equals to angle E. But angle P is equals to angle E. Angle Q is equals to angle EF. Therefore, their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. That means when triangle ABC is similar to DPQ, triangle ABC is congruent to DPQ. ABC is similar to triangle DPQ, and triangle, this is we got here, this we are assuming as equation 2. From equation 2, this is 2, and equation 1, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle DPQ is similar to triangle ABC. So from these two, what can we say? ABC is similar to DPQ, DPQ is similar to DEF. Sorry, here DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle DPQ is similar to DEF. So from these two, what can we say? Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle DEF. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence proved. We are constructing DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC, and we are proving first DPQ is similar to DEF. Then again we are proving DPQ is congruent to ABC, and congruent figures are always similar. So ABC is similar to DPQ, but DPQ is similar to DEF. Therefore ABC is similar to DEF. This is side similarity, criteria of similarity, SSS similarity, side similarity. I hope you understood. Now next we have to see that another criteria, that is one more criteria is there, that we see in the next class. Now we see SAS, side angle side similarity, that is theorem 6.5. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So one angle is equal, then angle included, the sides including this angle, which sides made these angles, they are in the proportion. Now we have to prove that the triangles are similar. See that. First, given, what is given actually here? You are seeing triangle. Okay, I'll read the statement, then I'll write triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In those two, so given one is triangle ABC, another one is triangle DEF. These are not congruent, these are just he gave. We have to prove that they are similar. So given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equals to angle D, that is given, and AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. This is given. Okay. Now, required to prove, we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. How to prove these two triangles are similar? One angle is already given and the corresponding sides, this and these are in proportion. So first we have to prove that the another pair also, that another angles are also equal, or else if you prove that these two triangles are similar, one more pair, one is angle A is equals to angle D, then you have to prove B is equals to E, C is equals to F, then BC by EF, that is. So if you prove that those two are similar, so before proving that we require some construction. To prove that we require some construction. Locate a point P. P is a point on DE and Q is a point on DF, such that DP is equals to AB and DQ is equals to AC. Join PQ. That is the construction. Construction. What is the construction? So locate P on DE and Q on DF such that P on DE, Q on DF such that AB is equals to DP and AC is equals to DQ, and also join PQ. Now that is a construction. Proof. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Observe it. DPQ. AB is equals to DP. That is by construction. So AB is equals to DP. This is side by construction. Side by construction. Angle A is equals to angle D. This is angle given in the statement. Next, and AC is equals to DQ. AC is equals to DQ. This is side by construction. Side by construction. Now, by SAS criteria, SAS congruence criteria, the two triangles are congruent. Which triangles? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Triangle ABC is congruent to DPQ means congruent figures are always similar. So ABC, triangle ABC, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. Let this equation 1. Now what actually given in the question? AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. AB by DE is equals to AC by, observe it, DF. AC by DF. But according to our construction, AB is equals to what? What is AB? AB is equals to DP. So DP by DE is equals to AC is nothing but DQ by DF. So DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. That is according to basic proportionality theorem application part. If the DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF, in triangle DEF, what can we say? PQ is parallel to EF. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, when sides are in proportion, so we write from this, we write dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF. Therefore we get PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF. So this is where in triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, PQ is parallel to EF. So if PQ is parallel to EF, angle DPQ is equals to angle, observe it, DPQ is equals to angle DEF and angle DQP is equals to angle DFE. When the lines are parallel, these are corresponding angles. So these are corresponding angles. Observe it. DPQ is equals to DEF and DQP is equals to DFE. They are corresponding angles. If the corresponding angles are equal, now by angle AA similarity, now in triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, DPQ and triangle DEF, observe it, DPQ and DEF, angle AA similarity, what is that? Angle DPQ is equals to angle DEF and angle DQP is equals to angle DFE. Okay, so these are, and angle D is equals to angle D, that is common angle in both. So by AA similarity, So why that third angle, that is common, and even two angles are correspondingly equal in one triangle, then by angle sum property the third angle will be equal. So from this we can write triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity, angle similarity. Let this equation 2. What is equation 1? ABC is similar to DPQ. From equation 1 and 2, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. Now, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle A. Observe it. DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. So, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. So, once from these two, what can we say? ABC is similar to DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is by SAS. So these are the criteria. What are those criteria? AA similarity, SS similarity, and SAS similarity. These criteria we use further application in exercise questions. We apply these theorems, and wherever AA similarity, if two angles are correspondingly equal, then third angle will be equal in those two triangles by angle sum property. So these three theorems which we practiced, which we discussed, that is AA similarity in the previous session, and now SS similarity, SAS similarity. These we see these theorems application part. Let us discuss in the next session.